So the stock market is currently experiencing another massive gap down during the extended hours trading session. I'm going to be preparing you to trade the best setups at the best prices. For those of you who are serious about making money, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you are self-sufficient and apply the information that I provide within this overall video. In terms of the last game plan that I gave you, I made it very, very clear that we are going to have a strong, bearish, weak closing trend day as long as the SPY opens up with a gap down, which it did end up doing. And in terms of the strategies that we focus on strong bearish trend days, one of the strategies is a breakdown and retest, where when the SPY cracks a key support level or a key level, and then it has a massive pullback and then spikes right back up to retest that previous support. If we're seeing confirmations that it's reacting as a lower high, we're going to be buying put options on the retest for a breakdown of the lower new support for new lows with the overall bearish weak closing trend day. With that being said, inside of Team Roar, we ended up going 12 for 13 on the day. That is 12 wins, only one loss. G-Roar ended up going 10 for 11. In terms of my own personal trading, I decided to wait and trade during the power hour trading session. I ended up going 2 for 2, a 100% success rate. The trade that I made during the power hour trading session was on SPY puts. I ended up buying these SPY puts towards the exact lows in the power hour trading session, 30 minutes right before the market was about to close. I bought these 512 SPY puts in the 100-cent range, low 100-cent range. They ended up closing deep in the money for 750 cents a contract. I ended up selling for a 400% profit return. You could have made over a 700% return on that trade within less than 30 minutes. We had some members inside of Team Roar go with SPX puts as well, and their puts ended up going 2,000 to 3,000% plus. I'm going to be breaking down the 13 trades that we ended up making on Friday. Like I said, 12 for 13. This is the absolute best time to be trading zero-date options within the stock market. Collectively, as a whole, we had 13 trades that yielded multiple 1,000% profit returns. I'm going to be recapping the trades towards the end of this video. First things first, let's get straight into the money-making information. So, in terms of the game plan, I made it very clear that this was the daily chart foundation. The daily chart foundation was a death candle. If you're ever seeing the SPY have a massive gap down and it forms this death candle, this is what it looks like right here. And you're seeing that it's closing directly weak at the lows like this, strong and bearish. And another thing to add on to this was not only the gap down, but if you look right here, previous support had a crack, and 549 was the breakdown retest level where we wanted to buy puts, right? That reacted as a resistance as well. So this previous support cracked, reacted as a resistance for the highs of days, and then you have a death candle, bearish week directly close to the lows, which is why I said if we gap down the next day, it's going to be a strong bearish week closing trend day. Therefore, we're going to be focusing on put options for Friday. So I'm going to be breaking down the trades that we made towards the end of the video. But the point is, man, the strategy worked back to back. Look at this. We had the same exact daily candlestick. And you're well aware, if we gap down and this daily candlestick forms, it's a death candle, the next day is going to try to gap down, right? As you can see, we are already gapping down. So we already had a massive gap down. We are currently at 489. We bottomed at 482.60. Now, one thing I want to note is this. I think it's going to play out a bit differently. In terms of, Friday, it was just an overall bearish week closing trend day. In terms of Monday, with the same daily candlestick factored in, here's some differences. We are now at more oversold territory, right? We're a lot more oversold. Also, this daily candlestick is a lot bigger than this previous one right here. We're due for some sort of bounce, right? So what I'm telling you is, I think heading into Monday, there's going to be an oversold dip buying opportunity, unlike how there really was on Friday. In terms of Friday, there was 2 quick opportunities where you could have made some nice money on calls. I mean, you can see right here, this is fucking crazy. We went from 510 all the way to 522 within 1 hour. Like I said, man, with moves this fucking big, this is the best time to be day trading zero-date options. This is what the fucking thrive off, man. Massive fucking moves going extremely far out. Cheap, low-risk contracts selling deep in the money, man. And then there was another nice dip buying opportunity right here from 508 to 515 almost. Now, with that being said, man, let's get into the overall analysis. So the first game plan is an oversold dip buying opportunity, right? In terms of the oversold levels, this is what I have for you. So in terms of the levels where I'm interested in buying call options, the first level is going to be where we bottomed. 482.60 is going to be the first level of interest. So as long as the SPY holds above this level, or if the SPY does go below this level, but later in the day it reacts to support, ideally earlier than later, as long as it didn't go too far under 482.60, then I'm going to be interested in buying call options towards 482.60. Now, there has to be a strong bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmation pattern to be considering buying calls, right, at that overall level. And like I said, more interested rather than earlier than later, but we'll have to see. Now, in terms of the levels below that, if we do go below that, these are the next levels and zones that you would need to be aware of, right? In terms of this 482 zone, you can see right here. So let me go in depth on this. This is a break and retest level. This is resistance right here at 482.70, right? This is a gap right here at 482.60. So the SPY can have a break and retest reversal right here. We're going to have this massive breakout, drops back down to retest, starts to bounce, gap close reversal right here. When it tests the gap, it starts to reverse the gap. And then another gap close reversal right here towards the 483 range, right? So you have a break and retest and you have two gap close reversals. So the point is, if we hold in between this zone, and if it's ever reacting bullish throughout tomorrow, I'm going to be buying calls. In terms of the profit targets, the next resistance level is right here at 489. If we break above that, retest, react to support, the next level we're going to go to is going to be the 52-week lows at 493 to an upper gap range at 495. As you can see right here, the upper range would be towards this 52-week lows towards this 493, and then there's a gap to fill right here at 495, right? That's the overall ladder I have for you. Now, if 482 does react bearish, this would be the overall level that I have for you, right? So if we go back throughout the daily chart history, and if we do go under 482, the next level we're going to be dropping to is going to be right around here, this 476.50. We got a lot of strong support at 476.50. We got a lot of previous resistance, previous resistance right here towards 477, break and retest, break and retest. That'll be the next level, 476.50. Next level below that is going to be the gap. There's a gap to fill below at 472.20. Next level below that is going to be 468. So that's the overall ladder that I have for you heading into tomorrow. 468, gap close reversal, auto buy calls at that zone. Strong support, 472.20. Your make above that is going to be 476.50. Above this is going to be your make or break overall zone, 482.50. Key extended hours support that has not been tested. So when it's tested first during normal trading hours, we could potentially bounce first. However, due to the high market volatility, it's less likely to work in current market conditions. In terms of this market volatility, man, it is very important though to be aware of the macro patterns, with foundations, which is the monthly, the weekly, and the daily chart. Gives you a sense of overall direction, not just for the longer term, but daily chart gives you a sense for the overall short-term next day trends if there's a foundation, and also gives you a sense of the overall macro levels, right? If you're day trading for the micro and you're not aware that a certain level's a macro, well, it's going to be very unfortunate for you in that situation, man. You need to be aware of macro levels where massive moves are going to occur, which is why I'm giving you this overall ladder in a sense too, right? 482 to 483, next level above that, 49, next level above that, 493 to 495 overall zone. That's the overall ladder. Now, in terms of making these videos, a night before in advance, it is crucial, man, to use confirmations within this current market, man. You need to be using the best confirmations you could possibly using at the overall levels, man. SPY is literally just blowing through any type of level in a sense, man. That is why you need to be using the best confirmations possible at the overall levels, and you need to put everything within your favor. You need the foundations. I gave you the daily chart foundation. So in terms of the new foundation that I have for you, man, like I said, I think a break of trend. I get it. This is a def candle, but it's bigger than last time. We're more oversold than last time. This is a nice keyhole round number. We're oversold for the micro, but for the macro, we are still signaling bearish, where there is going to be more downside for the overall mid to long term, right? But in terms of the micro and short term, we're due for a quick bounce. We're due for a quick oversold bounce for a day trading opportunity where I'm going to be eyeing calls at key levels. It's just, man, to find the exact bottom of this falling fucking knife, you're going to need a sense of the best levels, which is what I gave you, and you're going to need to use the best confirmations possible, right? And you're going to need to understand in terms of timing, we're just due for some sort of short-term bounce heading into early this week, likely tomorrow, man. I mean, in terms of this 30-minute pattern, I've studied this before. This is very similar in a sense, I've seen this repeat before. This same exact pattern right here where it's bullish. SPY is going to try to bounce first, likely earlier into the day, if not during the middle of the day, or we'll see into the close. But there's going to be some sort of bounce. And I'm leaning more towards the earlier side. It's just finding the exact levels. I gave you all levels, man. If we're blowing through those levels, if we're blowing through 42.60, I know the next levels. I told you 476.50 to 477. Below that, 472. Below that, 468. 468 would be fucking amazing. But look, man, the point is, if I see 482.60 react to support to 43, I'm in fucking calls, right? A break and retest level above that is 48 to 49. A break and retest level above that is 493 to 495. Next level above that. So let's kind of discuss this, man. I already explained to you how there's going to be a slight break of trend in terms of the break of trend that I think is going to occur based off of everything I'm seeing. I'll walk you through some of this here shortly. Is going to be if this can just load here really quickly. But in terms of the overall break of trend, like I said, just that overall oversold bounce. But then in terms of how we close, it can either close strong towards the highs or just sell right the fuck back off. But regardless of what it does, there's still going to be great opportunities for put options. But look, man, let me show you some of the patterns that I'm seeing on the daily chart. So take a look at this overall pattern we got going. We got two massive gap downs from 565 to 505. Now we're in the 480s. 500 is another nice key whole round number where we're due for some sort of bounce and due for some sort of reversal. But I went back historically to see how SPY reacts when we got these two def candles in a row with two massive gap downs. And from what I'm seeing throughout the overall daily chart, let me show you. Right here, this is a massive red daily candlestick. This is a massive red daily candlestick. So that's two in a row. Next day, gaps down, strong bullish recovery. That's what I'm fucking leaning towards, man. Oh my gosh. If the market closes like this heading in tomorrow, if right before the close, if we get a green bullish daily candlestick like this heading tomorrow where there's a wick, I'm likely going to swing trade fucking calls. If there's a bullish fucking wick into the close on the daily chart, or maybe even, this would be one of my best confirmations. I would fucking love this. If we open up with a big gap down and the market closes like this, a green bullish daily candlestick right before the close, I will likely swing trade calls. I'll also be keeping an eye, but I'm not too excited if this were to occur. If we're seeing like a strong bullish daily candlestick where the pin is on the downside here instead of the upside right here, if it's like this, I'll keep an eye on it, but I might not swing trade calls. Just keep an eye in terms of those trade ideas for you in terms of some swings. But look, man, two red bearish daily candlesticks gapping down. Then you have the third gap down right here. Strong bullish day, sells off later into the day. I'm leaning towards something like that. That's what I would say the most likable outcome is, a strong oversold bounce like this. And then we either close green like this or just super fucking bearish and loses its gains towards the lows. But the point is, man, a strong oversold bounce very earlier into the day. Market opens like middle of the day, 11 a.m. I think that's the most likely outcome, right? And then in terms of later today, we lose a lot of gains, right? So in terms of that situation, if you're seeing a massive pullback later into the day or during market close and it spikes back up to retest that double top or to retest that breakdown retest level where the support level below the resistance cracked and then it retests from the bearish third making candlestick confirmations, buy puts into the middle, into way later into the day or into the close if that happens, right? I'm giving you all the trades. This is the best fucking trades you could possibly using. So that's what I'm seeing, man. I went back historically and I'm seeing where that has occurred multiple times. I'll show you some more patterns. If you go further back, there's plenty of more fucking situations like this where when we have these two massive gap downs, there is some sort of oversold bounce for call options in that particular situation, right? So let me see here. Let's see. I'll show you some more situations where this history was repeating itself. So right here, here's another one. You have these two massive def candles, def candle right here, def candle right here. Next day, it opens up with the gap down, big sell-off, and then strong green and bullish. And then you can see day after that, another hard sell-off. That's why I'm saying, man, in terms of that swing trading idea, for me, it has to be this. I'm telling you, this is such a phenomenal fucking trend reversal. So when you're seeing the market have massive sell-offs like this, the perfect confirmation to swing trade calls would be something like this. It's a trend reversal green daily candlestick like this. Not when it looks green and bullish like this and the next day it fucking sells off. Like I said, if that occurs, I'm likely not going to do anything on the swing side. But if we're getting something like this, like a green facing to the downside like this, green facing to the downside like this, if we get that into the close, I will likely swing trade calls heading into fucking tomorrow, man. But if it's something like this where it's just a green bullish pin up, not too interested. But if it's a green bullish pin down, that's a key trend reversal where the SPY is going to gap up and react bullish the next day, and it's going to try to retest the high of that daily candlestick, right? So I showed you another situation. Let's see, go further back right here. Oh, so here we go again. You can see right here, man, look at this. You have this gap down, two massive def candles, man. Look at this. Two massive def candles. Next day is green and bullish. And notice how on the def candles, when it forms the green bullish upside candlestick like this on the daily chart, next day it sells off. So yeah, man, if we form a green bullish daily candlestick upside like this, I'm not swinging fucking calls. If anything in that situation, next day, if we're dropping below previous closing price, I'm buying fucking puts, man. But I'm telling you, if it's something like this, it could be so ideally green, or if it's this green trend reversal facing to the downside like that, but it's got to be green ideally, I'm likely going to swing trade calls. If not, you can just wait till the next day. If we gap up or go above previous closing price, then just buy the fucking calls that open. It's going to be so fucking simple, man. I'm telling you, in terms of how the market's setting up, if we can just close in that particular way, whether it's like this, green and bullish up like this, and then we go below previous closing day into Tuesday, or if it's like this, trend reversal but green and bullish, swing calls. And then if not, if it's like this, just day trade puts next day if we go on a previous close price. I'm already preparing for fucking Tuesday, man. The patterns are setting up fucking phenomenal for fucking Tuesday based off of the two def fucking candles in a row with the two gap fucking downs. It's like, dude, we are setting up for an overall reversal opportunity here, man. We're setting up for an overall short-term bounce reversal. It could be a delayed reaction. It could be delayed where it doesn't happen until within some time. But overall, man, 500 is a nice keyhole round number to be reversing at. Two def candles in a row with this massive gap down already. We're due for some sort of short-term bounce, some sort of micro bounce. Just remember though, the macro is fucking bearish. And in terms of macro being bearish, best thing you could do, I'll show you in terms of how this recently played out as well. When the SPY is having these gap downs, big gap down here, big gap down here, starts to retest, swing fucking puts, man. That's why I'm saying when we go back to fucking whenever the fuck we go back to 564 to 537, gonna be eyeing fucking puts at those levels, man. Look at this monthly chart. The monthly chart is fucking crazy. Look at this. This is such an insane level, man. Look at these fucking levels. Fucking insane. 510 and 505. That fucking range, man. Look at this. These are monthly candles. 505 to 510. Look at this. When 510 reacted as support, it went straight to fucking 560, 564. When 567 reacted as a resistance, it went straight to fucking 505. 505 to 510, breakdown and retest, gap close reversal zone. We're going to have a gap up 505. If that reacts bearish, I'm going to try puts in between 505 to 510. That's the overall zone. So the zones are going to be wider when the market has such high volatility like this. It's no longer going to be like these 1.5 zones that I normally give you. Until this volatility stables out, man. But look, I gave you the ladders, I gave you the levels, I explained to you patterns, I even prepared you for swing trades and also to day trade on Tuesday as well with the daily patterns I'm seeing, as long as the daily candlesticks form that way, right? But in terms of weekly chart, look at this fucking weekly candle. I mean, this is unreal. This is like such a massive red weekly candle. I mean, from fucking 567 to 505, man. I mean, look at the fucking volatility we are experiencing, man. Like this is, I'm telling you, in terms of this market right now, this is the absolute best time to be day trading far out of the money 0-day options. If you're not day trading far out of the 0-day options, you are missing out on the most lucrative day trading opportunities in terms of high volatility like this. This is the fucking absolute best style to be fucking trading, man. The puts I bought weren't even that far out. They're like just a couple points out. They went up fucking 700%, man. People did SPX, they made 2,000 to 3,000%. But look at this, man. This weekly candlestick is fucking insane. This week coming up is going to be fucking insane. In terms of how that weekly candlestick played out, you can see right here, this weekly candlestick is similar. This weekly candlestick is similar. Bounce reversals, bounce reversals. I am fucking telling you, man, this has got to be the fucking week where we have this bullish fucking oversold bounce fucking reversal. So I gave you the levels, and what we're going to be doing is, man, I gave you all the fucking levels. I'm just going to be waiting and watching. Going to be very, meticulous. So look, this is what you can literally fucking do. It's so fucking simple, man. So I gave you all of the oversold levels where I'm interested in buying calls. Now, in terms of the strategy, use the break and retest. So when the SPY hits one of the levels, if it's bottoming at one of the levels with strong bullish confirmations, trend reversal bullish 30-minute candle confirmations, you could try calls. It's going to be a bit more harder in that sense. So if you do it in this sense with this current market, I would focus on the most oversold levels, or I would focus on strong consolidation for 1 to 2 hours in current market conditions, right? But to confirm a true trend reversal, when the market's this fucking crazy, you're going to need like a break and retest. You're going to need something where the SPY, so let's say, okay, so 482.60, this is one of the levels, right? Let's say we bottom at 482.60. Then the next level we go to is towards this 489. So we bottom at 482.60. Let's say we drop back down to the support right here, form support, break above that, retest, form support. So a break and retest, you could buy calls right there at 488 if that happens. So look for bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations. Look for 1 to 2 hours of strong support, strong floor at the key levels if you want to try buying the oversold dip. In terms of an actual trend reversal, look for a break above the level. So let's say we break above one of the levels, drop back down slightly below it or slightly above it, and then form higher support. It starts to break out again, retest, buy calls on the break and retest, right? Break above 482. Hits 488, drops back down, retest. If it reacts to support, buy calls. Break above 488, drops back down, reacts to support, buy calls on a retest, ride it back up to the 495, right? You can use the break and retest strategies for overall reversals of a bullish oversold bounce trend. And then when that flips bearish, that's when support starts to crack and we form lower highs, break down, retest, vice versa, right? And then I told you an auto put zone, 505 to 510, auto fucking puts. So that's really all I have to say. I mean, in terms of like these game plans, man, I give you the levels and stuff, but what's going to be crucial is this, man. It's going to be the strategies, your ability to trade price action. When the market has volatility this high, is really going to be your ability to trade the overall price action, right? And you need to understand that the extended hours levels are going to be extremely important. You need to understand the macro levels are going to be extremely important. That's why you need to look back throughout the monthly chart, look back throughout the weekly chart, look back throughout the daily chart. The foundations of those overall patterns for the macro are going to be extremely important. You need to be aware of the overall macro levels when they kick in. I mean, we got some major levels coming up. And you need to be aware of just normal traps that get created throughout the day, just normal bull and bear traps with overall strategies, right? I mean, if you just looked at Friday, we started off with a very bearish move to the downside, and then the support was right here. This is where all your support was, right? You had a floor here for 2 fucking hours at 520. You had a massive drop to 510, and then we spike right back up to fucking 523. Are you kidding me, man? Fucking insane. Fucking 14-point spike there in 1 fucking hour. Best market to be day trading 0-day options. But the point being is look for breakdown and retest. Look for floors, look for wicks, look for floors, look for wicks, 1 to 2 hours of support. Massive crack, spike back up to retest, buy put options, lower highs, bearish confirmations. Look, red, green, red, previous floor is now resistance. You see how the lows of these candles are support, the lowest support, the lowest support, the lowest support, the lowest support. The high is resistance, the high is resistance, the high is resistance. Top wick, top wick, top wick, bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick. Crack the bottom wicks, top wick, top wick, top wick. Red, green, red, right? Buy fucking puts. Lower highs, buy puts, breakdown and retest. That's how you can tell when the trend flips bearish, right? And then for a bullish flip, when you're seeing, resistance right here, this is resistance, top wick is bearish, break above resistance, bottom floor, bottom wick, no longer top wick, bottom wick above previous resistance, buy fucking calls, ride it up a little bit, set the fucking profit stops, man, break and retest at the overall levels. So with the levels I'm giving you, you can try to catch a falling fucking knife, right? By just buying at one of the support levels using the best confirmations. If you're going to do that within this overall crazy fucking market with such high volatility, you need the best confirmations. You need history to be repeating itself with the 30-minute chart confirmations. Go back throughout the 10-day, 30-minute chart. Look for patterns of short-term reversals. Look for the strongest trend reversal 30-minute candlesticks. Look for bullish 30-minute wicks. Look for 1 to 2 hours of consolidation support, right? That's one way to do it, to try to catch the falling knife for the reversal. I do it that way. It tends to work out very well the way I do it, but you need the best confirmations within this overall market, because when that macro trend kicks in, is going to keep on going lower within time. For the micro, we're due for a bounce, but overall macro, in that particular situation, when the macro kicks in, that's when you're going to see those hard selves for lowered lows, for new 52-week lows. Now, with that being said, man, that's what you got to be focusing on. And then the break and retest strategy. Break and retest, we break above one of the levels, drop back down, retest previous level, react to support, buy fucking calls. That's a shift in trend where the trend's actually confirmed bullish and not just a bounce quick reversal off a falling knife. So those are the 2 strategies that I plan to be using. I mean, heading tomorrow, I am interested in the bounce reversal falling knife, and I also am interested for the break and retest strategy. That's what I'm planning to do, man. There's going to be wicked opportunities to be buying fucking calls tomorrow, man. On Friday, on a bearish fucking trend day, if we can go from fucking 510 to fucking 524, imagine what the fuck we're gonna do heading into fucking tomorrow, dude. We're gonna print non-fucking stop. Unlimited fucking printing, unlimited fucking winning. So, those are the game plans, man. I'm telling you, we're gonna fucking crush it, man. Look, you let me know who does this, man. I'm gonna walk you through the trades, man. Who fucking prints like us? So first things first, I'm gonna go over my trades. You guys are well aware, I trade best during the power hour trading session, right? So in terms of my trades, this is what I ended up doing. I'm gonna walk you through this, man. I decided to wait until to trade power hour. First trade was this. 511 SPY calls, 511 calls at 140 cents at 3:16 p.m. As soon as I got in the trade, a lot of people doubted me. It dropped like 30, 40% very, very quickly. And with that being said, I ended up adding into the loser once it started to come back to life. 126 cents. I think they went to like 80, so it dropped from fucking like 140 to 80, like 50% there. Held the trade, added as it was coming back to life, as SPY was beginning to set up bullish, and then I ended up selling that, right? I ended up selling that position, 511 calls, up 70 cents, now deeper in the money. Ended up selling at 224 cents. As soon as I sold those calls, the 30-minute candlestick was about to close, and it was signaling that it was going to be a bearish overall close. And my daily chart foundation said that the market was going to close bearish as well. So I switched to puts. So that trade was fucking phenomenal. 100 to 200. You could have made 100% at the speed of fucking light. And I added to it. So adding to it means more fucking gains. And then look, I ended up doing puts right here. 3:38 p.m., 22 minutes. SPX puts went up 2,000 to 3,000%. SPY puts ended up going up 700%. I went with 512 SPY puts for 125 cents a contract, right? So in terms of these overall puts, 125 cents a contract, who's in puts, holding for a bearish close. All you had to fucking do is hold the trade for 20 fucking minutes. If you can't hold a trade for 20 fucking minutes, don't fucking trade. There. That's how you can tell if trading's for you. If you can't hold for 20 minutes to make fucking 1,000% gains, then trading's not for fucking you. Don't fucking trade. So 20 fucking minutes, 1,000% gains, right? I tell you every single fucking week, we have 1,000% gains. Who's fucking printing? The latest addition inside of our community is the watermelon emoji. It's had all-time fucking highs along with our community. And you can see right here, man, who's in puts for the bearish close, man. I'm telling you, we had a lot of people buying fucking puts. SPY was bleeding like fucking crazy, man. So with that being said, I gave all the fucking analysis in real time, everything that we're doing. Puts are gonna fucking bank. These are the fucking option quotes moving in real fucking time. I literally said right here at 3:49 fucking p.m. we can close below 507, leave fucking runners, man. 125 to 300 within the span of 11 fucking minutes, man. The puts printed like fucking crazy. They went to 700 a contract. Where else are you going to be able to risk $100 to make $700 in 22 fucking minutes trading SPY? SPX puts went up 2,000 to 3%. And I told him, man, this is literally the halftime fucking show. The grand finale is going to be the close because I've relived this day. I've experienced it before and I was well aware the market's going to be closed. So I sold half there because that was the halftime fucking show. Left runners and fucking banked on the fucking runners, man. 400% plus fucking returns. We had so many people fucking crush it, man. Look at this. Someone did SPX puts, 330% profit fucking return, man. We had so many people doing puts, man. Like the fucking results. Right here, 845% return on SPX 5100 puts, man. Like just all the different results and all the different fucking gains. 53% return here on 5095 SPX puts, man. It's like, dude, we were so fucking green. Do you understand? We went 12 for 13, man. G-Roar literally said in the fucking chat, who's fucking red? I will give you fucking money. It's like, that's how fucking green the fucking group was. It's like, dude, how the fuck can anybody be fucking red with 12 massive fucking wins and only one fucking L, man? Like, my fucking gosh. So, the results were fucking crazy, man. Unlimited fucking win. Look at this. Someone bought fucking calls, man. They didn't fucking listen. Fucking Schmurda, man. Schmurda bought calls. He didn't fucking listen. $2,000 on a play. That cost him 12 months to stay inside of, over 12 months to stay in Roared, man. It's like, dude, the fucking analysis, the plays, everything was 100% spot on. Fridays are still our best fucking days, man. It's like, it's unlimited fucking printing, unlimited fucking winning, non-fucking stop. Look at this, man. These are the fucking contracts that I called. 755 a contract within just 20 fucking minutes, man. So, like I said, man, we absolutely fucking crushed it, man. Look at this. 526 puts, 4,000% return. 543 puts, 411% return. The fucking gains, man. I'm telling you, man, people are fucking crushing it every single fucking day, man. The fucking results, it's like, dude, unlimited fucking wins, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop, man. All we do is fucking win, man. So that's the trades that I ended up making. I mean, in terms of that bearish close, man, like I said, it was the breakdown and retest. If you looked at the overall chart, man, it was so fucking simple. It was a breakdown and retest overall strategy. So this is support. The bottom wicks here are support. This is the breakdown. The breakdown means we're cracking below. We're breaking down below the support. This is the retest. When we retest the previous support and react bearish, this is a bearish overall wick here, we start to drop back down to the previous support. And then this is your new overall breakdown retest level, right? Red, green, red is bearish. Lower highs is bearish. Bearish trend day sells off lower, right? Spikes back up and it's forming a bearish def candlestick, right? Towards the previous support, sells off lower for new lows, right? You can see, and you need to keep an eye on this heading tomorrow, man. Look at how the market's been reversing recently. It's been reversing when it forms these red bearish bottom wick pins, red bearish trend reversal wick pins, red bearish trend reversal wick pins at key support. So if you're seeing that at key support on an oversold falling knife level or on a breakout and retest level, even better, you're going to want to be buying call options. You can look for the 3 slanted red as well, 3 slanted red as well for quick reversals for the next 30-minute candlestick, right? But the point being is, you know, this was previous support right here. You could see this was previous support, right? And in terms of this previous support, it cracked, spiked back up, and then it formed this green bullish candlestick. And I noticed in terms of the overall trend, and I can assure you, in terms of like third eyes and abilities to read the market, I would say that basically nobody read the market this fucking way. But in terms of how I fucking read it, man, this is how I fucking saw it. I looked at the overall trend and I said, red, green, red, and the highs of the red, green, red pattern is the previous support. And then the market sells off, right? Red, green, red, highs, previous support, then the market sells off. Red, green, and then I'm in put options on the open of this when it's not even fucking red, when it was actually spiking. Why is that? Because I was playing for the previous support to react as a resistance. Every single fucking time on Friday, it retested the previous support in the breakdown retest. It would flush and sell off next 30 minutes after it formed a green candle. After it formed a green candle, sell off hard, short the pops, short the pops, short the pops, read the fucking trend. And then I literally predicted in a sense that the overall pattern close was going to be red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red. It already fucking worked twice on the fucking day. The breakdown and retest strategy with the red, green, red pattern worked fucking twice. Of course I'm going to fucking buy puts for the bearish fucking close. It's like, dude, if you missed out on that fucking play, you genuinely chose to sleep on the best curriculum, the best experience with the curriculum that the market gave us all fucking week, man. We had a breakdown, we had a retest, we had a red, green, red. We had a breakdown, we had a retest, we had a red, green, red. We had a breakdown, we had a retest. And then in terms of the last 30-minute candlestick, how do we know it's going to be red? Well, red, green, red worked fucking 2 times. It's at the previous support. And every single fucking time it formed a green fucking candlestick, green fucking candlestick, green fucking candlestick. It sold off next 30 minutes. So short the fucking pops, man. Put the odds in your favor. And the daily chart foundation that I gave you was that the market was going to close bearish week at the lows as long as we gap down. So of course I'm in on fucking puts, man. A 700% return means you can have 100% losses, whether they're day trades, whether they're swing trades, and still be fucking profitable. Losing is a personal fucking choice. So with that being said, those are my 2 wins where you could have made 800% within the span of 30 fucking minutes. If you think that's fucking good, look at what G-Roar ended up doing here. So I'm gonna walk you through this, man. Excuse me. So in terms of the trades, let's get into it, man. This is Friday. Like I said, we ended up going 12 for 13. Who do you know has 12 wins, only 1 loss? That many trades, that many wins, biggest percentage gains, cheapest, lowest risk, right? So in terms of the trades, let's get into it, man. We ended up buying 505 SPY puts for 50 cents a contract at the market open. What did I tell you? If we gap down, we're buying fucking puts. So if anyone decided to swing trade calls in the most bearish def candle, I hope you made it all back and more on fucking puts because the game plan was fucking flawless and I made a 700% return on puts, which means you could be extremely fucking successful and fucking profitable with a swing trade that went to fucking 0 if you took it, right? So 9:33 a.m., we ended up buying 505 SPY puts for 50 cents a contract. As you can see, these are the option quote prices moving in real fucking time. Everything is real fucking time. I don't even have to show you the fucking option chain. Look, these are the fucking quotes moving in real fucking time. You see how fast it's moving? All fucking timestamps, right? Puts are up 19 cents in 2 fucking minutes. You see that? So, as you can see, new lows is good for us. Put options, massive fucking wins, full play breakdown, selling at 94 cents a contract, breaking down the full play. Who do you know is winning this much, this consistent, this big every single fucking day with the most secured private organization? We have the best real-time zero-day options trading alert system on the fucking planet. Now, we start off the morning with one massive win. We start off a power hour with 2 massive fucking wins. Look at this, man. 536 SPY calls. We trade both ways. We fuck both ways. You know? Who do you know fucks both ways? We trade both fucking ways, man. Fucking make money on the fucking long side, make money on the fucking short side. Look at this. 536 SPY calls for 61 cents a contract, man. Are you seeing this? 61 cents a contract. And then look, 75 cents, 70 cents, calls up 17 cents. That's more than 15%. When you're up 15%, set a profit stop. You get stopped out for profit. That is another massive fucking win. Now look, 10:13 a.m. 500 SPY puts for 30 cents a contract. As you can see, the puts quickly went from 30 cents, 36 cents, adding to winners, adding to winners. How do we increase our gains? By doubling, tripling our position sizes. How do we protect the extra R multiples, the extra 1 to 2 R multiples that we add on top of our original R multiple? By setting a profit stop. If you set a profit stop, it's impossible to go green to red, making losing a personal choice because you are already green. So, as you can see, by adding to the fucking winners, it increased our fucking gains massively. And the fucking trade went from fucking 30 fucking cents all the way to fucking 95 cents, a 300% profit return. How can anybody be fucking red, man? Who do you know is showing you this every single fucking day? Who do you know? Come on, man. Look at this fucking trade, man. Look at that. Five, look at the fucking puts, man. 30 fucking cents. We're in right fucking here. Are you seeing this, man? Are you fucking seeing this? Look at this. 500 SPY puts for 30 cents a fucking contract. Adding 50 more contracts at 33 fucking cents, man. Are you seeing this? Look. Selling 100 contracts at 95 cents, man. 30 to fucking 90, man. Print at the speed of fucking light at 200% plus profit return like that. Like that. Already had 2 massive wins before that. How the fuck can anybody be fucking red? If you were fucking red on fucking Friday, quit. Give up. Trading's not for you. Get the fuck out. Cancel the subscription. Get the fuck out. Do not waste your time. If you were fucking red on Friday, stay the fuck out of our group, man. How the fuck could anybody be fucking red with this amount of fucking wins, with this amount of success, with this amount of big fucking gains? It's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. 529 SPY calls for 56 cents a contract at 11 a.m. Are you seeing this, man? You see how many fucking trades we're making, how many times we're switching fucking sides? Every fucking trade is a win at the speed of fucking light. In at 56 cents, quotes moving in real fucking time. 57, 59, 60, 63, 64, 70, 100, 105, 120, 125. Are you in here yet, man? We're trying to get everyone fucking rich. You understand? We're creating financial freedom. We're trying to take everyone in, get everyone fucking rich. If the group's for you, if you're the right fit, get the fuck in here, man. All we do is fucking print. We print non-fucking stop, and we print at the speed of fucking light. This is how we like our winning. We like our winning to be consistent. And we like to take every fucking win in the market. Whether it's puts, whether it's fucking calls, we like unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. All we want to do is fucking print. Do you understand? That's all we want to fucking do is print non-fucking stop. At the speed of fucking light. We take money out of the market, non-fucking stop. Nobody is printing as consistently as we are, as big as we are, non-fucking stop, man. It's every single fucking day, man. Look, non-fucking stop, man. Breaking down the full fucking trade. You could have been in right fucking here, out right fucking here. In at 50 cents, in at 56, out at 116, made it to 135. Who do you know is winning this much, this fucking big, non-fucking stop, man? That is 4 for 4 on the day. 4 for 4, and it's only 11:10 a.m. 1 hour and 10 minutes into the market open. We're already 4 for fucking 4. I'm calling out fucking 700% plays during the power fucking hour. Who is winning this big, this consistent, this much? Do you understand? Nobody. Nobody. There's not a single person you're watching. There's not a single group you're in. Nobody is winning as much as we are. There's nobody. Nobody fucking does this, man. Look, 500 SPY puts for 42 cents a contract. 42 cents a contract. Oh, they're at 50 already. Oh, they're at 50. Yep. Yeah, they're 50, fucking 53. They just keep on fucking printing. Oh, 58. Oh, fucking 60. Oh, fucking unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. There's another fucking win. How many fucking wins do you want? All we do is fucking win, dude. Do you understand? It's fuck you money. It's nonstop, unlimited fucking printing. Time for a fucking coffee break. Do you understand? That's how much coffee we fucking drink. That's how big our fucking coffee mugs are. Do you understand? This is all the fucking wins. All of the fucking consistency. All of the fucking big fucking wins. It's unlimited fucking printing. It's unlimited fucking winning. Non-fucking stop. There is not a single secured private organization out there, a single group or a single trade out there that is winning this much, printing this much, non-fucking stop. It is non-existent. It does not fucking exist. So, as you can see back from the break, 12:17 p.m., 500 SPY puts for 36 cents a contract. As you can see, the puts ended up printing at the speed of light. They did end up indeed printing non-fucking stop. It's just unlimited fucking printing, right? So that's well above 15%. 36 to 50 is above 15%. Set the profit stop. You're stopped out for fucking profit. Everybody knows the fucking drill, man. So 521 SPY puts, yes, after all of those several fucking wins, we did have a loss. Everybody knows when you're green enough, which is one big win or two small wins in a row, that you're done for the day. Walk away. If you choose to keep on trading, the most risk is 25 to 50% of your gains. If you back those gains, then you have to stop yourself from trading because you're not going to go green on the overall day, right? So the 521 SPY calls didn't work out. The play went to zero, guys. We risked 65 cents on a contract per contract and went to zero. But we had all those massive fucking wins before. It's fucking amazing, man. It's just unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. As you can see right here, we bounced back at the speed of light. 1:14 p.m., 500 SPY puts for 45 cents a contract. As you can see, the puts did indeed go from 45 cents to 76 cents at the speed of fucking light, right? In terms of this trade, 521 SPY calls at 1:41 p.m., 58 cents a contract. As you can see, adding to the winners, adding to the winners. They ended up going from 50 to fucking 100 at the speed of fucking light. Another fucking 100% win. It's like, dude, how many 100% wins do you want? How many multiple 100% profit returns do you want? How many 1,000% gains do you want a week? We have it. We will supply it to you. We have all the fucking wins. All we do is win. All we do is print. It's unlimited fucking winning. Losing is a personal choice. This is 2025. If you are losing, if you are going red, you are far behind. You are far behind. But things can change, and they can change at the speed of fucking light, especially if you have the heart of cards, intuition, and you are in the right secured private organization. Man, look at this. 505 SPY puts for 46 cents a contract. Adding to the winners. Adding to the winners. 55, 65, 75, 85. Sold. 90 cents a contract. Full fucking play. We are in right fucking here. We are adding right fucking here. We are out fucking right here. Why the fuck would anybody else be in a different fucking group when you can be in ours? Like, are you seeing how many fucking wins there is here, man? It's just unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. There's not a single other person you can name of that is showing you this or giving you this experience. So, with that being said, it's just nonstop fucking winning. It's just nonstop fucking printing. The gains are just non-fucking stop. It's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. As you can see, 513 SPY calls for 55 cents a contract. As soon as we get in the calls, 56 cents, 60 cents, 73 cents, 80 cents, full fucking play. Like I said, we will wire $20,000 into your account if you can find another group or another trader who is printing like we are. This many wins in a row, this big of wins every single day, multiple 100% profit returns are normal. Every single week, there's 1,000% gains. Losing is a personal fucking choice. It's like, dude, this is 2025 now. If you're not in here, you're going to get left behind, man. Look at the fucking results. We're in right here. We're out right here. It's unlimited fucking winning, non-fucking stop. So, that is all the plays, man. And Giro wanted to let everybody know that in terms of next week, he promises we're going to bank so fucking much that in terms of what's going to happen is so fucking much bank that people are going to fucking die of heart fucking failures. That's what he fucking said, man. And he told everyone to have an amazing weekend, to make some fucking babies, to go outside, to fucking meditate. In terms of, the community is fucking amazing. This is the most positive, best place, one of the most best places the community has ever been in. And we are at all-time fucking highs. And like I said, we are printing non-fucking stop, man. The gains are fucking insane, man. Like I said, man, the offers were there. Nobody took the offers in terms of who was fucking red. Nobody's taking the offers in terms of wiring you $20,000 to your account if you could find another group that is winning this big. We're talking about multiple 1,000% returns days, right? With fucking 10, 11 fucking wins in a row and like one fucking loss. It's like, dude, nobody's on this fucking level or realm of our fucking trading. I already told you, man. We've hit the fifth dimension. We figured out a way to trade in the fifth dimension. We have the heart of cards. We have the intuition. It's unlimited fucking winning. It's unlimited fucking printing. Non-fucking stop, man. So like I said, is the first link down below in the description. If you want to join us, the fucking group is on fucking fire with all the fucking gains. It's non-stop fucking winning, and it's unlimited fucking printing, and it's unlimited fucking winning. Non-fucking stop, man. Like, it's fucking insane, man, in terms of what is going on inside of our secure private organization, what is going on within our community, what is going on within the overall zero-day options trading market. It's the best system to optimize for, especially in a market with this high fucking volatility. Look at 55% gain. Love to see it, man. The fucking results. All I see is fucking wins, is fucking results, man. Non-fucking stop. Unlimited fucking wins, man. So, is the first link down below in the description if you want to join us. Like I said, we do cheap, low risk, far out of the money zero-day option contracts. Before Power Hour, we trade SPY. During Power Hour, we trade SPX. That's when SPX is cheapest and lowest risk with the biggest percentage gains, right? We don't use stop losses. We put in our max risk per trade into the trade. So the most we lose if the trade expires worthless and goes to zero is what we put in. And what we put in is our max risk per trade. We do add to winners, and that increases our gains double to triple our overall gains. And we set profit stops to ensure that we don't go green to red, right? We move the profit stops up higher to ensure that if the market has a big move against our win, that we get stopped out for overall gains and profits. So I wanted to break that down all for you in terms of like the basics to our, 0-to-8 options trading alert system, because at the end of the day, this is not just buy and sell alerts. This is a strategic 0-to-8 options trading alert system that we've created. And if you want to experience this and trade alongside with us, is going to be the first link down below within the description. I can assure you it's unlimited fucking winning and it's unlimited fucking printing. We have the highest win rate in the 0-to-8 options market, man. And we have the biggest percentage gains and we have the most consistent gains, man. You're going to see on our big days, like in terms of Friday, that was one of them. We went 12 for 13. We had 12 wins, only one 100% loss. All of the fucking wins were basically over 100% plus. One of the wins was 700% plus. Two of the wins were 200% plus. You add it all fucking together, man. It yields to over 1500% plus, even with the L factored in, man. So it's unlimited fucking winning and it's unlimited fucking printing. And if you want to join us, it's the first link down below in the description. This is what we do. We trade cheap, low risk, far out of the money 0-to-8 option contracts. We sell them deep in the money for the biggest percentage gains, right? We put in our entire max risk per trade, and that's the most we lose is our max risk per trade if the contracts expire worthless and goes to zero. There's been many trades in terms of a dead play. We're down 70% on a play, 70, 90%, and it comes back to life 70% of the time. We never sell for a loss. We hold the trade. When the trade goes green, we set a profit stop when we're at 15%. We add to winners to increase the fucking winnings, man. I'm telling you, it's unlimited fucking printing and unlimited fucking winning non-fucking stop. That's all we fucking do, man. Non-fucking stop. Unlimited fucking printing and unlimited fucking winning, man. I'm telling you, it's fucking insane. Who the fuck do you know is printing this fucking much? Non-fucking stop printing. I'm telling you, man, the fucking results are here. It's the first link down below within the fucking description, man. Like, dude, we're going to have to raise the price soon. I'm saying, like, it's like we're not only winning too much, we're winning too big. It's like, dude, people are questioning, like, how is this even possible? How are these guys having days where their win rates are above 90% and they're making so many fucking trades? It's obviously not over trading if they're all fucking wins and the trades just keep on getting better. It's like, dude, these guys are making sometimes 10 trades a fucking day and the trades are getting bigger and better as they keep on fucking trading. I'm telling you, man, we're winning so fucking much. We're going to have to raise the price. It's going to happen, man. Look, it makes sense. It makes sense to raise the price now. I completely agree because in terms of market conditions, we're at all-time highs in volatility. These are the best market conditions to be trading alongside with us. And we're going to have days where on a single day we have 10 wins, and those 10 wins are going to be over 2,000% plus returns. We're going to have every single week we're making 1,000% returns. So I'm thinking to myself, it's like, dude, to join our group, it's the best investment you can make. It's like fucking free. It's like fucking free. You pay to get in, but in terms of the investment, it's like fucking free. You make it back like that at the speed of fucking light, man. 100% return on $150. It's fucking, you make your investment back the first fucking minutes on the morning trades. Like, dude, seriously, who the fuck do you know is winning this fucking much, printing this fucking much, man? Look at this. We have a member who's up $123,000, man. Past 3 months, up 109%, $123,000. Fucking amazing. In March, my account was up 180%. We have so many members in here. Fucking DF, his account was up 500%. It's like, dude, we have so many fucking members who are printing non-fucking stop. You know how many multimillionaires we have inside of Team fucking Roar, man? Like, it's the first link down below in the description if you're serious, man. Like, I genuinely, like, this is the best time to join. There's no other better time to join. We're going to have to raise the price, man. So with that being said, I'm going to be signing off. It's the first link down below in the description if you would like to join us, man. I'm telling you, it is fucking crazy, man, what you can do with fucking options and what some people have done with fucking options, man. Like, it's genuinely fucking insane, man. When you were trading far out of the money 0-to-8 options and you're putting yourself in positions where we have the best systems, you guys are well aware with our systems, it has the strongest foundation. You don't need a high win rate to be successful. 1,000% win means you could be profitable at a 10% win rate. 1,000% win means you could have 9 100% losses in a row and still be up 100%, still be profitable with a 10% win rate. And I already told you every single week we had a 1,000% gain. We just hit one on fucking Friday with people doing SPX puts for 2,000 fucking percent. It's like, dude, it's non-fucking stop winning. Strongest foundation where you could be successful with a low win rate, but we have the highest win rate. But you could literally be successful fucking 2 100% losses in a row, 1 200% win, You're green. You're fucking profitable. You're break even at the fucking worst with a 33% win rate. It's like, dude, if you can't fucking figure out how to be successful trading 0-day options with a 33% win rate, then don't fucking trade, man. At the bare minimum to be successful, it's like a 30% win rate. But over here, the win rate is above 85 fucking percent. In terms of our green to red day ratio, it's 9.5 out of 10. In terms of our fucking gains on our biggest days, we make 2,000 to 5,000% gains on those overall trades. So I'm telling you, man, if you just put in the fucking work and effort, the opportunity is here to create financial fucking freedom, man. Our format works for many traders. We have many traders who've been with us for over 2 years now, and we have multimillionaires inside of our group who are giving analysis, alerting plays nonstop, man. Like I said, it's gotten to a point where we're trying to give away money, but it's like, dude, nobody's fucking red. So it's like in that situation, it's like nobody's fucking red. Like literally nobody is fucking red in the fucking room. I already told you guys, if you're fucking red, just get the fuck out. You're wasting your time. If you are red, you are genuinely wasting your time. And we encourage you, if you don't want to lose money, just leave the fucking group. Like it's not a problem. Like just leave the fucking group. Like nobody should be fucking red. In terms of Team Roar, it's like, dude, how can you be red with 12 for 13? It makes no fucking sense, man. That's why, like, we'll say, like, man, if you're just red, just fucking quit, man. Or, like, we'll give away money. It's like, it just doesn't make any fucking sense. Like, 12 for 13, even if you took the red play, like, how the fuck is that even possible to be red? We go around 700% win, man. It's like, dude, losing has become a personal choice. It is a very personal choice to be losing in 2025. If you guys are somehow finding a way to lose in 2025, it's like you have a lot of work to do. There's a lot of work to be done, man. I'm just showing you, like in terms of people not in our group, this is what you're competing against. You're competing against 12 for 13, biggest percentage wins, unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, puts, calls, SPX, SPY, every fucking way. It's like we the best fucking systems. So like I said, man, look at this, 240% gain, SPX 5090 calls, 240% gain, $5,000 profit on just one fucking contract. It's like, dude, you come in here, you see people make 5-10,000 like it's nothing, like it's fucking water, man. Like it's just fucking, it just flows. It's just, oh, he made 10 things. It's just like normal. It's like it happens all the fucking time. Look at the fucking results, man. Like who is showing you this, man? There's just not. I should just at this point I shouldn't even talk in the videos. I should just show you all the fucking messages and all the fucking screenshots and all the fucking success, like 3,000% fucking gains on fucking SPY 515 fucking puts. It's like, dude, all the fucking results. People are making the cost to stay here for a year in a single fucking day, man. And they're not risking a lot to do it. We have the best fucking group, man. Very consistent, 871. Show me the fucking money, man. We show you the percentage gains. We show you the real-time trades. We explain to you how to use the system. We show you the fucking money every single fucking day, man. So look at the fucking results, man. On fucking stop, man. Look at this. 2,600% profit return. On SPY put options, $2,500 profit. It's like, dude, nobody is fucking printing like us, man. The fucking gains, the fucking results, unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. Who the fuck do you know is doing these type of gains, man? This type of fucking results, man. Like, come on, man. Look at the fucking results. So, is the first link down below in the description if you want to print non-fucking stop, man. I'm telling you, this is the best time to join. Look, man, we're going to have to raise the price. When it's getting to the point where the volatility is this high, you can make multiple 1,000%. And, you know, we're having days where it's like, dude, if you're red, you either got to quit or we'll give you money. It's like, man, like, seriously, man. It's the first link down below in the description. Within time, we are going to have to be raising the price. We adapt accordingly. You know, market picked up, so we're trading more and we're winning more and bigger than ever. So we are going to have to increase the price, man. For those of you who are in at this price, you are grandfathered in at this price. As long as you don't leave and then join back later, then you pay the new price if it's raised within time, right? But with that being said, man, like the fucking gains, the fucking results, Team Roar's at all time fucking highs. It's unlimited fucking printing, unlimited fucking winning, man. This is the 398%. It's like, dude, come on. Who is showing you this? Non-fucking stop, man. Like the fucking results and the fucking gains. I mean, there's offers going down in terms. Let me see if this is gonna load here real quick. Man, like some of the things that were said on Friday were very, very interesting. Look at this, man. Like fucking. There's this people, man, talking about, like, dude, someone talking about fucking kidnapping, fucking G-Roar, forcing him to trade for you and stuff, man. Like, that's what happens, man. Like I said, this is a secure private organization. You understand? G-Roar, he's anonymous. You understand? This is an anonymous multimillionaire. G-Roar is anonymous. He's a multimillionaire, right? So you need to understand, man, like it's fucking insane, man. We're never going to direct message you. What we're going to do is we're going to show you what a decades of experience looks like. We're going to show you what a real-time zero-day option trailer system looks like. We're going to show you what unlimited fucking winning and fucking printing looks like. We're going to show you what going green every single day looks like. It's like, dude, the amount of fucking winning, it's like some people who are red, they're just genuinely going to quit because in terms of the beast, they're going to be like, dude, these guys are just too fucking good and I'm going fucking red. I'm fucking out. Like, it's going to happen, man. Like, the beast is fucking non-fucking stop. Unlimited fucking winning. Unlimited fucking printing, man. So it's the first link down below within the description, man. Like I said, man, it's just fucking insane in terms of like what is occurring and what is going on inside of Team Roar, man. And I'm telling you, Monday is a day where you are going to want to be here. We are well prepared and well equipped to be making the biggest percentage gains in the market with the cheapest, lowest risk. It's the best foundation, man. It's the best foundation in terms of like lowest win rate. You could be successful. Biggest percentage gains, cheapest, lowest risk, adding to fucking gains, biggest percentage returns, right? You know, if you just look at everything we have, man, when we're down 70%, we hold the trade. It comes back to life 70% of the time. When we are down that big, we buy a second strike. The second strike tends to be timed perfectly at the lows for the biggest percentage gains. Look, man, just get the fuck in here. There's really not much to be said at this point. We do the same thing every single day. We get bigger. We get better. It's like, dude, there's just not much to be said at this fucking point. It's like, it's fucking insane, man. Like, you need to get in here and experience this for your fucking self. So, it's the first link down below in the description. If you want to print non-fucking stop, I can assure you, nobody is going to be able to outperform us, man. Nobody outperforms us in trading. Like I said, for $20,000, we will wire it to you. Who is doing this? Who is winning this much, trading both sides of the trade, both ways, SPY and SPX every single fucking day? We have the best fucking system. You need to come to that realization that we're the fucking best, and that is something that has to be fucking accepted, man. There's not a single other group or a single other trader that you can name out there who is doing what we're doing, man. And I'm telling you, man, some of the best traders in the fucking planet, they choose to be anonymous, you know? Some of them choose to be anonymous. Like G-Roar has chosen to be anonymous, and he chooses to remain anonymous, right? That's the beauty of trading, you know? If you know how to fucking trade, you can be anonymous. You don't have to show your fucking face. You don't need a fucking boss and stuff like that. So there's huge benefits to our overall niche in terms of day trading in our system. Like I said, man, cheapest, lowest risk contracts, biggest percentage gains, no stop losses. The most you put into your trade is what you lose. The most you put in is your max risk per trade, your R multiple. And we hold the trades and we sell for the biggest percentage gains, leave runners, set profit stops, add to winners, get profit stopped out, move the profit stops higher to ensure the biggest wins. It's like, dude, I'm saying the same shit over and over again. I'm trying to get this to click. Like, it works. Is unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. Like, if you want to experience this, this is the best time. There's no point in fucking waiting. If you're choosing to fucking wait, you are missing out on big green days where we are making 1,000 to 3,000% gains in a single fucking day. I'm showing you exactly what the fuck you're missing out on every single fucking day, man. And I give you the game plans to be self-sufficient. It's just, I don't think you guys are going to be able to trade them as good as we fucking trade our game plans, man, because it shows the amount of trades we make, the amount of fucking gains we get. Like, it's unmatched. There's no comparison. This is the highest realm. So I'm going to be very clear with you, man. This is the best time to get in, and we're going to have to raise the price soon. So if you want to join, this is the best time now. You get access to a real-time zero-day options trade alert system. You get access to our secure private community, to our secure private organization community. You can chat alongside us within the chat, right? And you could, take the overall trades within the chat, follow the trades, ask questions, use our trades as confirmations. It's a real-time system, not network and chat with other members, man. It's like, dude, if anyone was fucking red on Friday, I'm genuinely concerned. Like, just get the fuck out of the group. That's the kindest thing I could really say. Like, just leave the group and just quit trading. It's just not for you, man. If you were red on fucking Friday, it's like, man, there's levels of craziness and there's levels of disrespect. By the way, another disrespectful, never take big position sizes, right? Max risk per trade, the most you risk is 2 to 5%. And here, if you take a big position size, you're not trading the system. The system is having 10 wins on days, right? If you're taking big position sizes, you're going to blow up your account on the one loss, right? So fucking 10 wins per day, take small sizes, risk small amounts, add to winners, set profit stops. You're able to risk more without really risking more because you get profit stopped out. If you set a profit stop, it's impossible to go green or red. So it's like, dude, just follow the fucking system. The worst thing you can do in here is take big position sizes. And if you're red on days where we're going fucking 10 for 12, 10 for 13, then just fucking quit, man. If you're red on days where we're having 1,000%, it's just not for you, man. Like, there's just ways to tell. If you were red on Friday, it's just not for you, man. Trading is not for everyone. It's okay, dude. 98% of traders lose. It's not for everyone. It's okay. There's other things to do. So it's the first link down below in the description. If you're serious about trading with real traders who print nonstop, trading alongside us, who print unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, zero-day options trade alert systems. I give you the curriculum. I give you the educational systems. Inside of here, we give you the money-making systems, the zero-day options trade alert systems. It's like, dude, we have it all. If you aren't in here already, get the fuck in here. What the fuck are you waiting for? There's no other group out there. There's no other person out there that's better trades than us. Trading, this is what we do. We fucking trade. It's not just buy and sell alerts. We have the best system. You could be successful with a low win rate. We have the highest win rate, right? Cheap, low risk, low barrier to entry. You can turn small amounts of money into big amounts of money very, very quickly, right? A couple $100 to a couple $1,000 quickly. A couple $1,000, tens of thousands of dollars quickly. Cash out, reflip the small account. Best skill set to have in terms of day trading in 2025, right? When a day trade is down 70% plus, 70% of the time it comes back to life. Never sell for a loss. Most you put into your trade is your max risk per trade, 2 to 5%. Never go above that. If you choose to risk large amounts of money, you are trading against the system, not with it. And you are choosing to blow up your account on a losing trade. Do not be a fucking degenerate. We give you so many opportunities to make money. The position sizes may be cheap and low risk, but what makes them such big gains is the big percentage gains. We hold our trades for longer periods, sell deep in the money, buy far out, right? Also adding to the winners, right? We add to the fucking winners to double to triple the gains, set the profit stop. Therefore, green to red is a personal fucking choice, even though we add and increase our position size, right? Move the profit stops up higher. That way we don't experience the bulk of a pullback when the market goes against us on our trade, and we get the bulk of the overall gains before it attempts to recover, if it even does. And many trades. You make a fuck ton of trades on the day, well, all those fucking small wins are going to add up. You add to the wins, well, it's going to double to triple the fucking gains. Well, you're making the biggest percentage gains, you're going to make a fuck ton of money off those small fucking position sizes. Cheap, low risk barrier to entry. You guys awake? Is everybody awake? Hello, it's 2025. Red is a personal choice. You can get fucking rich. You can learn a skill set that changes your fucking life. 98% of traders lose, but at least with us, you gain access to the best fucking system on the fucking planet, and you get to ask these questions in the fucking chat. It's like, dude, if you're not in here, you don't stand a fucking chance. You can become self-sufficient and you can learn, you can make some money, but it's like, if you're not in fucking here, you are missing out, and you are choosing to miss out on the best trading alert system on the fucking planet. There's not a single other group or a single other person you have that has this. It does not exist. We are the fucking best. Accept it, man. Accept it, you know? And G-Roar, he's anonymous, you know? Everyone has their reasons for being anonymous, man. Fuck. Like, it's fucking amazing to not be known, but to still have the largest zero-day options trading alert system on the fucking planet. It's like, dude, we win non-fucking stop. We print non-fucking stop. It's unlimited fucking printing. Like, dude, we win a fucking lot. Like, this is normal. It's normal to win that fucking much. Like, it's becoming normal, man. In current market conditions, this is very fucking normal to be winning this fucking much and this fucking big. You need to join right fucking now. You understand? It's the only option left is for you to fucking join. There's no other option, man. The only option left for you at this point in time is to join. Due to the market having such all-time high volatility, you need to get in here and you need to experience your first 1,000% return. We will pop that cherry off for you. We will give you your first 1,000% return in exchange if you click the first link down below in the description and you join our group. That's what you need to understand. We're the fucking best, dude. It's like, dude, I don't know what else to say, man. I genuinely don't know what else to fucking say, man. It's like, nobody's fucking doing this, man. There's nobody out there who's fucking doing this, man. Nobody can name anyone who's fucking doing this. It's like, dude, if you're not in here, I'm more concerned for you. I'm more concerned if you're in here. Actually, okay, so I mean, if you're in here and you're losing, it comes to a point where you do just have to quit. But I mean, if you're not in here, it's like, and you're choosing to trade, I'm genuinely concerned for you. But I'm also very concerned for someone in here who's like having a red day on our biggest green days. So like, I'm concerned for two types of people, man. But I'm gonna be very honest with you. Like, if you're not in here, man, and you're just fucking around, like trading on your own, it's a tough path, man. It's a tough path, man. I've taken that path, and it took over a decade to figure out. I mean, G-Roar came along. He taught me so much mechanics about SPY and SPX. He helped change my overall system in trading for fucking ever, man. That's what I'm saying. You join our fucking group, the amount of value and gems you're going to get. And also, like I said, with the best fucking trades, it's like, dude, it's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. So like I said, man, it's getting to a point where there's just nothing to be said. It's just like, join the fucking group. Just click the link, join the group, and experience. I mean, it's basically a requirement. If you day trade zero-day options, it's basically a requirement for you to at least try out the fucking group. The format's not going to work out for everyone, but it is going to work out for a lot of people, and it is working out for a lot of people right now as we speak. They've been with us for years now. I mean, we have the lowest churn rate in the industry. Literally, only 10% of our members leave every single month, and the 90% choose to stay every single month because they see the value in what we do, and a fuck ton of people are printing non-fucking stop. I mean, let's be real. Do you think it's by accident that we're the best? You think that's just accidental, that we're truly the best with the most amount of wins, most amount of trades? Like I said, if it was over trading, it's like, dude, we're trading both ways. The trades are getting better throughout the day, and we're making a fuck ton of trades. If it was over trading, we would just be trading one way and fucking losing if it was luck or over trading. And we'd be fucking losing non-fucking stop. It's like, dude, we're having days we're going fucking 12 for 13. There's nothing more to be said. Just get the fuck in here. Click the fucking link and join the fucking group. No questions asked. Join the fucking group. Click the fucking link. Get in here and make fucking money. That's what I want for you. I want you to be in the best secured private organization, man. I want you to be extremely confident in the trades you're in and the people you are around. And I can assure you, man, you join our fucking group, you're going to level up like fucking crazy, man. So if you want to get this amazing fucking experience and you want to get the best trades within the market along with the best zero-day option trade alert system, is the first link down below within the description. It's a very real thing where multimillionaires are out here creating educational systems and money-making systems to print at the speed of fucking light. We are experiencing it every single day inside of Team Roar. Click the fucking link, join the fucking group. I'm going to leave it off at that, man. Look, this fucking week is going to be fucking insane. And with the current volatility, if you are not fucking in here, you are genuinely choosing to sleep on us. Do you understand? If you have the money to join, you're in a situation where if you think that makes sense to you, right, in terms of what you're getting, right? Some people, it doesn't make sense for them to make this investment. For some people, it does. Look, this is what you're getting. You're getting access to a secured private network, a secure community, where you can chat with multimillionaires alongside us who give analysis and give their trades and share their systems in real time. You're getting access to my trades as well. You're getting access to G-Roar's trades, right? You're getting access to G-Roar's trade alert system, right? So with that being said, you are gaining access to the best trading options alert system. You're gaining access to the best zero-day options trade alert community who's trading alongside the system, using it for their own confirmations, for their personal trading, following some of the trades as well, not just blindly doing it, right? You are gaining access to all of that. It's the best fucking investment you can possibly make. I mean, just to put things into fucking perspective, if you go to my fucking trade, right, and you're gonna see this is where the fuck I got in at 100 and fucking what was it, man? Like, fuck, there's just so many fucking wins. Like 125 cents, I was selling in the 400s. People were selling in the 700s. They went to 750 within 20 minutes, man. So let's put this into perspective. There's a monthly fee, right? And in terms of the price, you click the monthly fee, you click the first link down below in the description, that's how much we charge, right? 150 a month. One fucking contract at 125 to 700 covers multiple months. So as an experiment, you can come in here and you could just trade with 1 to 2 contracts, take the fucking trades and watch for yourself, man. Watch the fucking gains, add up like fucking crazy, see for your fucking self, man. Is that not the best investment? It's like, dude, we're charging a monthly fee. It's like one price of a fucking SPX contract or one price of a SPY contract in current market conditions closer to money. It's like, we're charging fucking nothing. Do you understand? The cost to be here is fucking nothing. It's basically free. It's like, you do have to pay, but it is basically free. And we can't make the group free, even if we fucking wanted to, because we have high standards, man. First of all, we don't work for free. And we have the highest standards in the game. We've been around for over a fucking decade. And we have secure private organizations. Do you understand? There is certain things that I'm not capable of doing in terms of the position I'm in. I'm not capable of fucking doing free trials or doing free groups or anything like that, even if I wanted to. I'm not capable of doing that because we have high standards that need to be reached. And if we did a free trial, our community would not be secured. There would be bots. There would be fucking scammers. There would be fucking con artists. There would be fucking brokies. There'd be fucking haters. There'd be people figuring out ways to abuse the free fucking trial system. It's like, dude, we run a good, honest business. It's a monthly fee. You can cancel any fucking time. And at the end of the day, you cannot argue that we give the best trades and we have the best zero-day option trade alert systems. Most traders don't even have systems. I explained to you the parts of our system. If you come in here, you get to experience it, man. You just have to accept the reality. If you're looking at something like this, and in terms of trading, well, what the fuck is trade about? What trading's about trading? Who's got the best fucking trades? Okay, you got the best fucking trades? Well, what's better than the best fucking trades? The best trading system. That's cheap, low risk, low barrier to entry, man. It's like, dude, we have it. If you are not in here, you are genuinely choosing to sleep on yourself. You're genuinely choosing to give money away to the market. You're genuinely choosing to fucking sleep on leveling the fuck up, networking with the most badass traders you're ever going to fucking find, trading and following the trades alongside them, and experiencing this zero-day options trading alert system. It's like, dude, you are genuinely choosing to sleep on us, man. And you choosing to sleep on us is going to cost you, man. And I'm telling you, in the future, soon, we're going to be raising the price. We will be raising the price soon, man. So this is the best time to join. It's the first link down below in the description. It's like, dude, we give the best game plans. We give you the opportunity to be self-sufficient, to trade at the levels. We make you money before you join the group, right? So for people who actually want to join, I'm telling you, there's no fucking excuse. Join the group, get in here, experience it for yourself. You could literally just trade with 1 to 3 contracts. Think of how an amazing experience that would be. As you're leveling up with traders, as you're leveling up with us, as you're getting experience with a zero-day options trading alert system, something you've never had access before, you get to start with a small account, trade 1 to 3 contracts, and I'm telling you, you trade with 1 to 2 contracts, you can literally make back the cost of the monthly fee the same day you join. Just trading with 1 fucking contract. Do the fucking math, man. 100 to 700. You buy 1 contract at 100, sell it fucking 700. You just made 600. That's 4 times months to stay in the fucking thing. That happens multiple times every single fucking week. That's normal, right? And think about all the fucking trades we're buying at fucking 50. We're buying at fucking 50, selling at 100 to 200 a contract, right? Think of how many wins we're making. It's like, dude, do the fucking math. It's the best investment you can make. At the end of the day, we can charge whatever the fuck we want for this. Because in terms of people with trading with 5 figures and 6 figures, if we just wanted them in, they would do the fucking math and they would say, dude, this is worth $1,000 a month. I'll pay these guys $1,000 a month. I could come in here with fucking 5K, flip it to fucking 25K every single month. Of course I'll pay you $1,000 a month. That's a good fucking investment. It's like, dude, this is the best investment. You understand how cheap and low and under fucking price this is? We can charge whatever the fuck we want. If I want to target more higher net worth individuals, if I just want people in here with 5, 6, 7 figures, I can do that. And in terms of what they can make, basically I can charge whatever the fuck they want. I can charge whatever the fuck I want and they'll pay it. Because people with more money, they truly understand the investment, man. They genuinely understand it. But like I said, we're keeping this as of now at an affordable price for small accounts and low barrier to entry, but we will be raising the price within time. Like soon enough, we're going to be raising the fucking price, man. It makes more sense now than ever to not only join, but for us to also raise the fucking price because it's still dirt fucking cheap, even for the small accounts. It's like, fuck. If I was trading with a small account, I would pay at the bare fucking minimum at least $250 to $300 a month. $300 a month at fucking least. It's like, dude, this is so fucking undervalued and under fucking priced, man. Get the fuck in here. Click the first fucking link. Join the fucking group. You're going to come in here. You're going to shake our fucking hands. You're going to be thanking us with all the fucking winning and the great experience and the traders and leveling up beside us. You're going to fucking love it. Join the fucking group. Worst case scenario, you level up, you get the hidden gems, you get a great experience, and you just fucking cancel. It's like, dude, this is the best fucking group on the fucking planet. We have the best fucking trading alert system. Join the fucking group. It's the first link down below in the description. Join the fucking group. Print with us. This fucking week is going to be fucking insane, man. Do you understand how fucking insane this fucking week is going to be? I want you in here. I want you to experience this fucking week right fucking now. Join the fucking group. It's the first link down below in the description. We're going to be printing non-fucking stop starting tomorrow till Friday. Get the fuck in here, man.